Now for our Friday flashback featuring what else? Food.
Pretzels, more specifically. This is a story Melissa Cole first brought us back in October of 2017.
But it's about a local man who went to Germany to learn how to make the old-style, authentic, soft pretzels.
Take a look.
Uwe Hambrecht lives in West Hartford now, but grew up in Germany. What he missed most about his hometown when he got here.
I loved the German pretzels always when I grew up. So there are different bakeries in different towns, but you know where you get the best pretzels.
Uwe says in Germany, pretzels are similar to bagels here. They're in every bakery, even in the tiny towns.
So you literally went back to Germany to learn how to make these special pretzels.
Exactly. So I connected with a baker, Hans Will in Kitzingen, and he took me a little bit under his loop, under his wings, and then he showed me in the kitchen, in the bakery.
Today, Uwe makes his own using all the techniques he learned. He rents the commercial kitchen here at Hands on Hartford and bakes custom orders for anyone who wants them.
Those are just came out of the oven.
Okay.
Those are actually for my town. They're a little bigger on the side, and you can make actually sandwich. You cut them open right here, you put salami in there or butter.
Oh my God.
So the rolls, the same thing. You cut them open and you put some pulled pork on there, and they're delicious.
So this is what it looks like.
That's
real
what it looks
authentic,
like. Real authentic
German
pretzel. Especially now, it's October, Oktoberfest everywhere, you know.
So you're not going to give away all your secrets though?
That is correct.
Right? Because there's got to be some secrets in these pretzels.
There is, yes, yes.
Okay.
And that's what makes them special, but this is a basic recipe that you can use at home. You actually make your own pretzels if you want.
So people can do this?
Absolutely, no
right.
problem at all.
First, add a stick of softened butter to the flour.
Put a little sugar on top, just cover the surface, so there doesn't have to be a lot. You also can use honey if you want to.
Okay.
And then, of course, the sugar is actually the food for the yeast. So you just put a little bit yeast on there.
A little salt, add some water, and it's ready for the mixer.
Now I noticed you didn't really measure, you just kind of eyeballed it.
Yes, it's in the heart.
It's in your heart, you just know it.
Yes, and you mix it and you see how everything is kind of crumpling together. So this is still a little bit dry and we need a little bit more water. This is about right, about this consistency.
Let the dough rise in the fridge for about an hour, then it's ready to work with. Uwe cuts a little chunk off and rolls it out, leaving it thicker in the middle and thinner along the edges.
And you just lift them up, you twist, and here's your pretzel.
Look at that!
That's how easy it is.
I give it a try, but don't seem to have the same knack for it.
Great job, let me help you, and then you can twist it, right?
Flip it.
Flip it. All right, try it again.
Flip.
Good, and close. So this part goes on the other side. Exactly,
like
good.
This?
Like this, yeah, push it down, and you can actually stretch it, take the pretzel. Perfect.
There you go.
Good job there. Perfect pretzel.
Rolls are more my speed.
You can also do it in your hand if that's easier for you. That's it.
They go into the freezer for about 2 hours and then get dipped into this special German solution. Uwe won't tell us what's in it, but he says you can also use baking soda and water. This is what makes them golden brown. And don't forget the coarse salt.
You're going to put them in the oven for 325 degrees for about 20 minutes or less. You know, it depends how hot your oven is, of course, right?
For custom orders, Uwe makes batches of 25 pretzels. Try to call or email him about 4 to 5 days in advance of when you need them.
Because this isn't your only job.
No, it's not.
This is like a hobby job.
Exactly. This is my hobby. You know, everybody has a hobby. Some people golf, some people shoot. I roll in dough. So literally. So it's a lot of fun. Those are done. I'm going to take them out. You can make a sandwich out of that.
Smells so good.
It smells good, right? Yeah. You cut it open, put some butter on it, put some salami on there, or
what about mustard?
pulled pork. Mustard. A lot of Americans still like the mustard with it. So I grew up with butter.
Okay.
It's butter in there, but the butter is something special to the brown here.
So you just need a big beer, right?
And a big beer with it, and it's a privilege to have Channel 3 conduct this interview. So thank you so much, Melissa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Oh, they look delicious. And to place an order, if you don't want to make them, you can always head to Uwe's website. It's pretzelhaus or Haus.us. And that's Haus spelled H-A-U-S, but maybe pronounced house. Is that how you say it? Yeah.
Sure, house.
You can also You can also email Uwe, and his email address is Hambrecht, Hambrecht, @yahoo.com.
Good job.